Dreame, a brand known for its innovations in smart cleaning, offers the L40 Ultra model that combines performance, practicality, and a sleek design. Positioned as a high-end robot vacuum, it incorporates many advanced technologies while aiming for a more accessible price than its predecessors like the X40 Ultra. Designed to meet the needs of modern households, this robot stands out with its almost autonomous management of home cleaning thanks to a multifunctional docking station and a comprehensive app. If you're looking for a solution to automate the cleaning of your floors, the L40 Ultra deserves your full attention. You can find all the info and the link to buy it in the description. The Dreame L40 Ultra features a sleek and minimalist design. Its white and gold finish easily blends into any modern interior. Compact yet sturdy, it stands 10.4 centimeters tall, a dimension made possible by its LiDAR module that ensures precise mapping of your home. Its docking station, designed with a vertical layout, holds both clean and dirty water tanks, as well as a 3.2-liter dust bag. It also includes a dedicated compartment for detergents, allowing for automatic dosing while filling the internal tank. This well-thought-out layout makes maintenance easier while keeping a refined aesthetic. The robot is equipped with an extendable side brush and a mop on an articulated arm specifically designed to clean effectively along baseboards and in corners. A main silicone brush and a knitted brush complete this arsenal to capture hair and pet fur. Unfortunately, the latter, despite its anti-tangle design, doesn't always perform as well as advertised. The Dreame L40 Ultra stands out with an impressive suction power of 11,000 pascals, capable of picking up both large particles like food scraps and fine dust embedded in carpets. Paired with a powerful motor, this suction ensures effective cleaning on all types of surfaces. When it comes to mopping, it uses heated water at 65 degrees Celsius to clean and disinfect the floors. Its Omni-Dirt system, guided by an RGB camera, allows it to detect the dirtiest areas and automatically adjust the mop's movement for a deep clean. As an option, the robot can even drop its mops in the station before going over a carpet to avoid wetting the fibers. The Dreame House app customizes suction and room cleaning, set no-go zones, schedule cleanings, and monitor via camera. The Dreame L40 Ultra is versatile. You can set up no-go zones, schedule specific cleanings, and monitor the robot live through its built-in camera, making it a true control center to tailor the cleaning to your daily needs. In use, the Dreame L40 Ultra stands out for its versatility. On hard floors, it effectively picks up dust and debris, even in standard mode. The floors are left spotless after a cleaning, and its extendable mop allows it to reach even the toughest corners. On carpets, it automatically adjusts its power to deeply vacuum without wetting the fibers. However, there are a few limitations to note. For example, its obstacle detection system can confuse things like a strand of hair with a cable or avoid certain less visible tasks. Its docking station, while very convenient, requires regular cleaning to prevent bad odors. It automatically manages the detergent mixing, the cleaning and drying of the mops, as well as emptying the dust bag. Its features minimize manual interventions, but occasional maintenance of the base is still essential. Compared to the X40 Ultra, the L40 Ultra offers a more compact station and a more affordable price. Although the suction power is slightly reduced, this is not noticeable in practical performance. However, it comes with fewer accessories included, which might mean you'll need to make some extra purchases down the line. Faced with competitors such as the Roborock Curivo Master and the Ecovacs X5 Omni, the Dreame L40 Ultra stands out thanks to its ability to automatically dose detergent and its particularly intuitive application. However, models like the Cure Evo Master may offer easier maintenance. The Dreame L40 Ultra is a complete solution for floor care. Its suction power, combined with advanced washing and drying options, makes it a high-performing model for keeping your home always clean. While it could be improved in some areas, like obstacle management or station maintenance, it stands out for its value for money and its many customizable features. If you're looking for an efficient and convenient robot vacuum, the Dreame L40 Ultra is a great choice. You can find all the information and the link to order this product in the description. Every click and purchase through this link supports the channel, and I really appreciate it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a comment to share your thoughts, give it a like, and of course, subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thanks for your support. See you soon. Bye bye.